आर्ट गार्डन इधर है, आर्ट गार्डन उस साइड में है.
Okay.
दिस मीन्स 16 गार्डन एंड 53 फाउंटेन्स. ये काहे के लिए होगा कि 1631 में बनना शुरू हुआ, 1653 में बनकर तैयार हुआ. इस वजह से 53 बनाया है.
Time is now 10 o'clock. 10 minutes to 10 o'clock in the morning. How many shifts are there, uncle, here?
Sorry?
How many morning and evening shift?
Both of tourist.
No, till what time? See, I purchased the ticket right now.
Yes.
So how many hours I can stay here?
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
So if it is more than that, do they charge extra money? Or they, how?
No, nothing. But 3 hours is so much time.
Okay. So today is full moon day.
Yes, sir.
So today what time it will be opened?
Then after 9.
After 9 o'clock in the evening.
Yes.
So 9 to
11.
9 to 11. Okay. What are the charges for that?
510.
510. Okay. The view will be different entirely.
Nothing different, but you can see on the full moon the difference on the like to shining on the Taj Mahal.
Shine on the Taj Mahal.
The stone all glow. Middle point. This is the water tank, center to point. Middle to middle.
Okay.
So how distinct I come to this gate to here? Same distinct to here to Taj Mahal.
Okay. This is the center point.
Yes.
Okay.
And she wife never see Taj Mahal. She died before 1631 and June.
She did not see Taj
Yes,
Mahal.
No. And the Taj Mahal, the concession 1631 in December. So she died before 6 months.
Okay.
So
But
when
see,
the king sometime like feeling I want to see my wife, he will become here and he can look at the Taj Mahal and he can go to relax. I see my wife.
okay.
So when the king is come to here, so one side we start on the drums and one side we start on music sound over there. So when king take it around here 1 hour, 1.5 hours, so ladies start on the dance.
Here on this stage, they're going to dance. They used to dance.
You see the fountain how to work in those time, no power, no motor, no blenders. But king is take it around here 1 hour, 1.5 hours, so they will push in the pumps. So when they start the fountain.
Now how it is functioning?
Now the machine motor.
With the help of machines it is to function. Right. So this is the. Can we go on to the? So you can see the water here. It's very clean. We are going on to the stage. This is the place where when king enters or when king comes, dancers used to dance on this particular stage. And you said something from that side, king. If the king comes, then
One side we start on the drums.
okay. That side the drums used to be played.
Drums.
Okay.
One side we start on music sounds.
Music sound. Okay.
And
Then
here ladies start the dance.
ladies used to dance here. And where the king used to sit during.
He's never sitting. He just takes just only the round and third.
Okay.
He's never sitting.
Okay.
Sometimes you want to like to feeling I want to sit, so you can sit and just
So he sat. Okay. He sat in this. King sat in this particular place. He used to sit whenever he wanted to see his wife before 6 months. Before 6 months of the construction. Before
6 months she did. After 6 months they started to Taj Mahal.
Okay, this is a place where king used to sit, and you can see the view, beautiful view of Taj Mahal. So whenever he used to feel lonely or whenever he misses his wife, so he used to come here. Or is there any speciality? Any other?
Another thing is the Agra Fort and Mughal family house.
Okay.
Mughal family house and Agra Fort. Because Agra before and capital in India.
Okay.
India have 3 capitals. First time Agra, Akbar time, second time British time, Calcutta.
Okay.
And now it's Delhi.
Now it's Delhi. Fine. While coming back, we'll take photos. Thank you.
Which ticket you buy, sir? 250, 50.
250. So which is the best ticket that people should
only
buy?
51.
Huh?
51 is better.
Why? Why not 250?
Because inside only 2 grave. 2 grave is nothing.
Okay.
That's all.
So what? Okay, fine. So why I wasted 200 rupees?
Yes. Because Taj Mahal you can see on the far way,
Oh,
look too beautiful.
okay.
When you can go inside, no photograph, no nothing any else, no permission to photographs.
But I can enter. I can go inside now by 200, paying 200 rupees. So hope you all can see the view of this beautiful monument. In 7 wonders of the world.
Yes.
This stands in which place?
Agra.
No, it stands at 7th place or 5th place?
No, 7.
7th place. It stands at 7th place. It is completely constructed with white marble.
Yes, only white.
Only white marble.
Just white.
Do you know the history of his wife background?
She's from Kashmir, from Iran.
She's from Iran. Okay.
And she has the second marriage of to Shah Jahan. Because they have the first marriage, they have the husband is dead.
No, I mean to say she got first married. She got married to her first marriage was with
Another man.
another man, and Shah Jahan was second husband.
Yes.
So okay. So how the first husband died? So later Shah Jahan married.
Some fight, some Mughal army fight.
Okay.
So there was she go to death. So they have a very feeling so much. So Shah Jahan said, "Don't worry about it. I marriage with you." Then after Shah Jahan marriage together,
Okay.
and they have the 14th child of Mumtaz. She very young when take the marriage, 12 years old she is. And 32 years old she did. 20 years he can live with him of Shah Jahan.
So what was the age of his during that time?
Marriage time?
No, Shah Jahan's age was how much?
12.
No, Shah Jahan age was
Shah Jahan is in 22.
22 and her age was
12.
12. So at the age of 12 she got married to Shah Jahan.
Yes.
So at the age of 32 she died.
Dead.
And she did not see this beautiful monument.
Never.
But she might have
Promise. Then Shah Jahan the promise to she is, I build very beautiful place for you because people is know very well to my love.
Okay.
शाहजहां
Sir, you can tell in Hindi also.
हाँ, शाहजहां ने उनसे बोला हम ऐसा चीज बनाएंगे आपके लिए जो लोग हमारे प्यार को याद रखेंगे. After to marriage he can love to you.
Taj Mahal is a symbol of love.
Yes. And they have the 2 monument more. One this side have the royal guest house.
Okay.
And one here the mosque.
Mosque.
Yeah, because when king is come to here to Friday, he can play here.
Is to pray.
But you cannot see it because of the fog, you know.
Yeah, everywhere fog is there. So the viewers, everywhere fog is there due to that. I don't think so that the images are clear or images are not clear.
So this is a white marble building from here 350 kilometers from Rajasthan. And those time no car, no motor, no train, just use only for elephant.
Elephants.
Yes, 10-day elephant is go Rajasthan and 10 days come back to us. Then after labor cut by hand, give the design, shining, finishing, then you can cut on the marble, then you can fit inside. So we'll look at this building, have this corner to this corner, only for wide area. They have no foundation, that's a without foundation of this building. No any foundation.
So Taj Mahal doesn't have
No
foundation.
foundation, without foundation.
So Taj Mahal is constructed without foundations. So from Rajasthan these marbles are being brought.
Yes. They have on the down on the basement 16 water well. Down.
16
Water well.
water wells.
Yeah. They have the special sandalwood. Those time you can bring from South Africa to India. Water wells, sandalwood, when you can build it. What's the reason why he can make on the with bell and with button? Because those time no cements, no any chemical give to him the long life. Those time only limestones.
Limestones. With limestone they okay.
So limestone you give always cool mouchers, is go to strums.
Okay.
So well is given cool, backside the river of Jamna is given the cool.
Okay, Yamuna
Behind,
is there.
behind.
Behind the Taj Mahal,
Yeah.
Jamuna river is there.
So they have the height of Taj Mahal 81 meters,
Okay, the height of the Taj Mahal is 81 meters,
243 feet.
143 feet. The fog has covered complete Taj Mahal. Due to that reason, we couldn't able to view it very clearly. So it is under repair.
Yes, this is the place. Some stone break, some stone problem, something, so you can repairing always.
It's under repair. What is that is dome.
No, the pillar.
That is a pillar. Okay, the left side of the pillar is under construction. So the right side of the pillar. This is the right side of the pillar.
Yes. Four pillars. They have the four pillars. Two here and two back side.
Okay, two front and two back. 4 pillars are there. So
That is the line of center point.
so
One
straight.
line. Or fountain. Just one line.
How many fountains? 53.
Yes.
53 fountains are there. Now is it functioning?
This is working.
It's working.
10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Maybe some VIPs come, any minister outside of country.
Okay.
And they start this one.
Fine.
कुछ हमारे हम नहीं आ रहा लड़के के लिए भाई खबर you got any shoe cover?
Yeah.
Have it.
So before entering into the Taj Mahal, we should have shoe cover. Okay. And mask is compulsory.
Agra have three kind very famous.
Agra is
Agra have three kind very famous. First one Taj Mahal, and second inlay work of marble. They have the generation the build of Taj Mahal. The people
Okay.
the build of Taj Mahal worker.
Okay.
They have the family generation.
Okay.
He can do same work still now.
Ah,
Yes.
where are they now?
Outside I show you after later on.
Okay.
He can working same stone, same marble, same everything. So you can make small Taj Mahal. People is come to here. You can buy some souvenir, give for family, friend. You can use on the house. So you can make an Taj.
So the same laborers who worked for the Taj Mahal,
Yes.
generation
Yeah,
still.
generation is still.
Okay.
And third thing have Agra sweet petha.
Sweet peta.
Petha.
Ah,
Very famous in Agra.
very famous in Agra. So where it is located? Where it's a sweet, right?
Yeah.
So where it is located? In the market?
Outside.
Everywhere? Or they have a separate place?
Yes.
Where we are going now?
Now we go to Taj Mahal inside.
Okay, we'll go to Taj Mahal inside. So these are the gardens. So people during his time,
No, this time nobody use, and before 25 years you can go back. The people use here, and you can people eating here also. And now people eat and throw. That's why it's closed government everything.
so due to the fine. People used to come here to eat and they used to throw all wastage.
Make to daddy, you know.
Okay.
That's why no permission now.
Looks too beautiful. This is the way we are supposed to go on to the Taj Mahal. To go there, we are supposed to go this way. So from this way we came and we are going to go from here. The temperature is completely, my hands are frozen, so words are not coming out. If I am speaking something wrong, please forgive me. Oh, beautiful.
So you can sitting here and take the cover, shoe cover.
Okay. Hope you can see from side view of Taj Mahal.
Both of sides same.
All four sides are same.
Same. Any side you can see look like the same.
Okay.
Take your cover.
So this is a view of Taj Mahal from side. We entered from here through this way. We can't see anything due to the fog. So we entered through this. If you are entering towards the right side, it becomes. So this is the one side of the Taj Mahal. All four sides it looks equal. All same. Let me show you from front. Let me go closer. So the one pillar towards the left side, it is under construction. Maybe there might be some.
See the monkey. No, go close.
Okay, we should not go close to the monkeys. This is the front pillar of Taj Mahal. It is under repair. This is how it looks. See the every shape, the wall, it looks in this shape. They are constructed very beautifully. From here we are supposed to go inside Taj Mahal. Please wait for you. So ये ऐसे ही था कि
नहीं.
निकल दिया.
Before on the marble,
Okay.
and also now is marble,
Okay.
but you can cover up the white and the boot.
Why?
You will lock on the go to sleep.
Okay. People they might slip and they might fall down. So that's why they have covered this.
Yes.
अब इनका ये हाल है उस समय क्या हाल होता जब
So what is this?
Out.
Okay.
One side off.
This is a view of closer view of the beautiful Taj Mahal.
शांत नहीं कर रहा है शांत नहीं कर रहा है
This is one side, and you can see the mosque that side, and the other pillar which is under repair. And if you see towards this side, yes, uncle. Can you give some information regarding
give it
this?
there, I give it.
Yes, very good. I want to take photo also from here. Photography is prohibited inside the museum.
See, this is the one piece in marble. When you can cut by hands, give the beautiful design of flowers. Just one piece in marble. And that's the all real stones. Then you can make on the first on the flower, then you can put on the white marble, take on the mark. Then you can cut same side, then you can fit inside. So all real stone all. This work, same like this work, they have the generation, the build of Taj Mahal, you can do same work. Still now.
Okay. Still now they are doing the same
Yes.
work.
Now we show you later on
Okay.
how the people working, how the people do. If you want buying some souvenir, you can buy. Otherwise, no problem. Nobody pushing you.
Okay. So these are the art which has been made by hand.
By hands. So you go now inside. You can.
Inside the Taj Mahal. We are not allowed to take photos. This is the inside view. This is the exit. Oh, beautiful it is. This one is also the other pillar.
Yes.
So both four sides equal. You said Yamuna River.
Yes, no, no, no.
This is Yamuna River.
So much fog.
Okay. So this is the Yamuna River, which is flowing. Beside the Yamuna River, they have constructed the beautiful Taj Mahal. Sir, can you please explain about that one in Hindi?
सारा लिखा हुआ वैसे लिखा है जो कुरान के आयत है that belong to Muslim, the right Holy Quran, Islamic and real stone, all everything. Both of side look like to same. Any side you can see.
Writings are also same.
No difference.
Okay. What does it speak? What it
Arabic
says? Arabic language.
letters. क्योंकि उस टाइम के अंदर शाहजहाँ के टाइम के अंदर दो ही भाषा चलती थी, फारसी चलती थी और अरबी चला करती थी
Okay.
किंग टाइम.
Okay.
तो अरबी में लिखा है ये सारा. ये हाफ एंड कुरान है इसका. आधा कुरान लिखा हुआ है अंदर बाहर मिला के सब.
Okay. वो एक वो वाला
हाँ, अंदर का बाहर का सब मिला के आधा कुरान है, हाफ कुरान।
हाँ हाँ।
हाँ।
सो वो उसका बारे में आप बोलने वाला था ना,
किसका? शाहजहाँ का कवर
शाहजहां
का?
का और उसका टॉम के बारे में।
हाँ हाँ, तो शाहजहाँ का नीचे वाला है ना, नीचे वाला जो है
हाँ
वो असली है, ऊपर वाला डुप्लीकेट है।
ओके।
वो उसकी लड़की ने बनवाया है, शाहजहाँ की।
उसका लड़की का नाम
जहां नारा था।
जहना राधा।
हाँ, उसने बनवाया है। शाहजहाँ ने जो तो बनवाया था, मुमताज़ का बनवाया था रियल वाला अंदर।
ओके
शाहजहाँ एक और ताजमहल बनाने जा रहे थे, अपने नहीं है, जमुना के उस पार, ब्लैक कलर का।
उसके लिए
अपने नहीं है,
मतलब।
ये ताजमहल बनाया था अपनी वाइफ के नहीं है।
ओके
वो बनाने जा रहे थे एक और काला पत्थर का,
हाँ।
ब्लैक मार्बल का,
ब्लैक मार्बल
अपने नहीं है।
ओके, खुद के लिए।
हाँ,
हाँ
तो उसकी लड़की औरंगजेब ने उसको मना करा, क्योंकि उस टाइम के अंदर वो पत्थर कहाँ से आता है? बेल्जियम से आता, आउटसाइड ऑफ कंट्री। उसकी जाने के लिए रास्ता पानी का रास्ता था, फ्लाइट नहीं था उस टाइम में, ट्रेन नहीं था। पानी के रास्ते जाएगा, काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा जाने में, काफ़ी टाइम आने में लगेगा। उस टाइम के अंदर शाह बादशाह थे इंडिया के। ये मार्बल जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आया था,
ओके
सिर्फ लेबर का चार्ज दिया था उस टाइम के अंदर, 4 करोड़ रुपए, 4 मिलियन रुपीज़,
ओके
जस्ट लेबर चार्ज।
ओके
वो मार्बल आउटसाइड ऑफ कंट्री से आता, वहाँ आपको पे करना था, शूट यू कैन पे द मनी। तो उसके लड़के ने, औरंगजेब ने उनको मना करा, वो नहीं माने, उनको अरेस्ट कर लिया, अरेस्ट करके लाल किले में रख दिया था,
किसको?
शाहजहाँ को।
ओके
तो हम कंप्लीट बचा है। सामने दिख रहा है एक बुर्जीदा दिख रहा है लाल कलर का,
कुछ
बस।
हाँ हाँ
बस वही बचा है,
इनकम्प्लीट है वो।
इनकम्प्लीट। बोला जाना चाहो शाम के टाइम जाना, 4:30 बजे करीब, सनसाइड टाइम,
ओके।
ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस, गुड पिक्चर्स।
When he was there, he started construction,
यस,
but he could not complete it.
अनकम्प्लीट।
So this is Royal Guest House.
रॉयल गेस्ट हाउस, शाही मेहमान खाना, शाही मेहमान खाना।
Okay. So what is to do here?
नथिंग, पीपल जब कम हियर, इधर आते थे लोग, आने के बाद इसमें बैठते थे, बैठने के बाद खाना पीना खाया,
हाँ।
और शाम के टाइम वापस चले गए
कहाँ पे?
मुगल फैमिली हाउस।
Mughal family house. Where it is?
1.5 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम हियर,
Mughal family house.
आगरा फोर्ट।
Agra Fort. Okay, beautiful. So for all sides, all 4 directions are equal.
सेम 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 एवरीथिंग।
So which is the best time to visit Taj Mahal?
Morning time is best time, better.
No, which month? Which month?
Which month?
Yeah, which month is the best time to visit Taj Mahal?
December, November, January, February. This is good time.
Yeah, yeah. And what about March or April?
Too hot.
Too hot. So we can't bear the heat of this marble.
Very, very hot.
Okay. So easiest way to come to Taj Mahal
Who?
from Hyderabad is directly come back to Agra and come
Go back.
in train. So ఇది Taj Mahal. The best way to come to Taj Mahal is during the months of October to February, because if at all if you are coming in the month of April or March or April, it will be very hot here, because during winter it will be very cold, during summer it will be very hot. So try to come in the month of November. That's the best place and that's the best time to come and visit this beautiful monument. This is a top view of Taj Mahal. It looks too beautiful. Due to fog, we can't see far behind. So best photo to take is from there. So this is the exit.
Yes.
Finally, we once again will. So we should throw here. So these are the dustbins that we are supposed to throw. Okay.
अभी उसको बंद कर दे रखा है सारे को, अंदर से कुछ भी नहीं है, अंदर बंद कर रखा है, रेलिंग लगा रखा है सामने।
Why?
कुछ है नहीं उसके अंदर, बेकार है उसमें, जाने के लिए कुछ देखने को है नहीं।
Okay.
एक हॉल है पूरा बस,
हाँ.
बस और कुछ नहीं है। उधर जाता है लोग, कोई नाम लिख देता है, कोई खोद देता है,
बराबर।
इधर इसको बंद कर दिया, वहाँ रेलिंग लगा दी उन्होंने, क्लोज कर दिया। स्कूल का बच्चा आता है वो, अरे वो अपना नाम लिख दिया, उन्हें अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम
गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम लिख देता है.
हाँ। रेलवे से गवर्नमेंट ने उसको बंद ही कर दिया। उधर से 50 रुपये वाला जाता है, जिसको 50 का टिकट होता है,
हाँ
वो लोग कैसे जाता है, पूरा राउंड लेके उधर निकल जाता है।
बराबर, ऊपर नहीं जाता है.
250 वाले के लिए उधर से रास्ता है, सीधा जा ऊपर जाएगा,
हाँ
नीचे दाम।
ओके. सो मतलब इसमें कुछ इतना यूज है.
हाँ,
सो दीज आर दी
50 वाला है, इधर से टिकट लेगा, ऐसा जाएगा पूरा राउंड लेके उधर से बाहर आ जाएगा।
ओके ओके
250 वाला उधर से जाएगा, ऊपर देखेगा, नीचे इधर से।
ओके. सो सी द फ्रॉम देयर वी आर सपोज्ड टू गो लाइक दैट, गो एंड गो टुवर्ड्स दैट साइड एंड फ्रॉम देयर टॉप एंड
डाउन हियर।
down in this way we are supposed to come. This is the exit.
आप किधर रहता है हैदराबाद में?
Sangareddy. So this is the exit. So King also used to go. No, he never used to come. He never used to come from this way.
Who?
King.
No. King is go straight. किंग ने ये सोच के बनाया था कि इतना बड़ा है ये, इसमें पब्लिक आएगा तो ये वो रास्ता जो है ना छोटा पड़ जाएगा,
हाँ.
तो इस वजह से ये रास्ता बनाया, इधर से निकल जाएगा। वो बाउंड्री हो रहा है दीवार, उधर से भी रास्ता है, उधर से निकल जाएगा पब्लिक, क्राउड होगा तो। और जब क्राउड होता है ना तो उसमें लेन वहाँ से लग के आता है, वो गेट है ना,
हाँ
वहाँ से लेन लग के ऐसे आएगा दीवार के सारे ऐसे आगे पूरा जाएगा, पूरे ताजमहल के पीछे जाएगा, फिर ऐसे आगे फिर चढ़ेगा जब क्राउड होगा तो।
ओके
अभी तो लिमिट रखा है ना उसने टिकट का,
हाँ हाँ
15,000 टिकट यूज करेंगे बस
पर डे 15,000 tickets are only used.
अभी मार्च में ना
हाँ
अनलिमिटेड हो जाएगा, अनलिमिटेड में फिर उतना पब्लिक आता है 40,000 50,000 पर डे, जिसमें उसमें 20-25 हज़ार फॉरनर होता है, बाकी इंडियन होता है। फॉरनर सिर्फ 2 टाइम देखता है ताजमहल को, सनराइज टू सनसेट,
ओके
दैट इज द बेस्ट टाइम ऑन लुक द ताजमहल।
when sunrise
सनराइज टू सनसेट,
हाँ
बेस्ट टाइम। मैरिज हुआ भैया?
हाँ सर
कितना बच्चा है?
एक ही बेटी
लाया भाई को नहीं, मैडम को संग लेके आना था ना।
वो छोटा है, बहुत छोटा है।
ये चालू हो गया फाउंटेन।
ओके what are these ashoka trees?
मशीन
No, what?
पिकॉक फैन, पिकॉक इक,
Peacock?
पिको मोर का होता है ना, मोर,
हाँ हाँ
मोर के जैसा इसका पंख है, उसका वो है एक पत्ता।
okay these plants are ever trees ना, trees are plants.
ट्रिस्ट, पिकॉक ट्रिस्ट।
So we are going back. We have visited the Taj Mahal. We have went on top of the Taj. We are seeing the tombs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal.